Hey y'all, Kitchen Trap Queen here with some strawberry cinnamon rolls, y'all. I absolutely love making cinnamon rolls in the kitchen. I feel like somebody's grandma or something when I start making cinnamon rolls. But anyways, if you're interested in learning how to make this, guys, stay tuned. Okay, so first we're gonna start off with our dough mixture. What I have here is some warm milk, some yeast, and some sugar, and we're going to mix this up and let it proof in a microwave that is not on. Well, you just want a warm spot where it can proof for 5 minutes. Next, we're gonna add 2 room temperature eggs to a mixer. If you don't have a stand mixer, you can just use a hand mixer. And then if you do have a stand mixer, you're gonna attach your dough hook. I'm gonna turn that on, and then I'm gonna add in some melted butter, some sugar, and I'm gonna start adding in my bread flour 1 cup at a time. And y'all, I swear I always forget to add in my yeast mixture with my eggs and my butter, but there it is right there. You see how frothy the top of it is? That's how you know your yeast is activated and ready to go. If you don't see that froth on top, you've either killed your yeast or your milk was not hot enough, or warm enough, should I say. And then you just want to continue to add in your bread flour until your dough starts to form. And right here, you'll see me add a little bit of salt. Once your dough starts to form, you are going to stop your mixer and scrape the dough off. It will be sticky, so don't be alarmed when you try to lift it out of the bowl. And then you're going to place it on a floured surface. Okay, so this is my favorite part. You know, the part that I said I like about making cinnamon rolls feeling like somebody's grandma. I like the kneading process. So you're just gonna knead your dough into that floured surface for about 2 to 3 minutes until your dough is not as sticky as it was. And then you're gonna take your dough ball and then you're gonna place it in a greased bowl and let it rise for about an hour and a half. After about an hour and some change, this is what my dough ball looked like. You want your dough ball to rise, or at least to double in size. And then you're gonna roll it out on a floured surface. We're just going to roll it into a rectangle. You want it a little bit bigger than a 9 by 13 inch pan. And I know I'm not gripping the sides of the rolling pin right, y'all. Y'all know I got these long ass stiletto nails, so I'm trying not to puncture the dough as I roll. But you know, y'all, I love my little nails. Anyways, so now we're gonna take some softened butter. This is a stick of softened butter, and we're just going to spread that on top of our dough. So now for the strawberries, what I'm doing is adding a can of strawberry filling. Yes, you can add more than 1 can. If you want to, you can also add on some fresh strawberries. It's up to you how strawberry-y, if that's a word, how strawberry-y you want your cinnamon rolls to be. And then on top of that, I'm just gonna sprinkle on some cinnamon. Now I know it's weird to think about strawberry filling and cinnamon together, but it's actually good. When you roll up your strawberry cinnamon rolls, you want to kind of pull and tuck, but you want it kind of tight, if that makes sense. So I'm like pulling and tucking, making sure that I get all of those strawberries inside of my roll. So now I'm going to take a serrated bread knife and I'm going to cut about 1-inch slices out of my rolls. And please don't do this with a regular knife. Use a serrated knife. It works like magic. Y'all look at that. Aren't they so pretty? Oh my gosh, I love making these. So now you're just gonna add them to a buttered dish and let them rise for about an hour in a warm area in your kitchen. I just place them on top of my stove and put a towel on top. And then now we're gonna make our cream cheese frosting. What I have here is some softened cream cheese and some butter. And then we're going to add in some powdered sugar and a pinch of salt, I believe that's coming up next, or some milk, one of them. I don't know what's coming up next. Oh, some vanilla flavor, and then we're gonna add in some milk. Now that's not ash in between my knuckles, y'all. That's just some powdered sugar. Okay, so don't come for me. I had one of my exes in the comments calling me ashy on one of those videos, but anywho, that's powdered sugar. And then you're just going to mix them up till they are nice and well incorporated. And you just saw me add in my pinch of salt. After about an hour of rising more, this is what my cinnamon rolls look like. Now we're gonna place them in a 350-degree oven for 25 minutes. And then after that, this is what they look like, guys. Don't they look beautiful? These are so good, y'all. Not only are they good, but they look good too. I know people eat with their eyes first, y'all. I'm actually drooling. Let me wipe this spit out the corner of my mouth. But yeah. Make sure you add your icing to them when they're hot. The hotter the cinnamon roll, the better your icing will taste and melt and get all nice and gooey and sticky. And then this is what they look like once you take them out. Look at that dough, y'all. Look how big and fluffy they are. Please try this recipe, guys. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and all of that good stuff. Ooh, look at that. So yeah, stick with me, y'all. You'll go far. Anywho, thank you for watching. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And I will see you guys in the next video.